Okay. Bravo. Surprise. Surprise. Make it good. Where is this one? No. Latul ya saywa. Ya latul put. Put it here. Aywa. And then no. The other one. The other one. Don't put this one first. The other one first. Put. Where is it? Bravo. Where is it? The other one. Okay. No. The other side. Okay. Okay. So, what letter is that? What letter is that? Letter K. So, letter K. Bravo. K is for koala. Yeah, Bode. Come here, yeah, Bode. Bravo. No, not that one. Oh, bravo. No, it's there. No. Okay. Bravo. Okay. Put it here, like this. And then, what letter is that? Letter K.